Let's look at how we name these different atomic elements. Now, Dalton had his own secret emoji language for the elements, which was very confusing. But later, a scientist named Berzelius said, "Hey, let's make it simple. Use letters from the element names." Okay, modern rule time. Symbols use one or two letters. The first letter is always capital, and if there is a second letter, it's small. Here are some examples: H for hydrogen and O for oxygen. Big A and small l for aluminium, not big A and big L. Same for cobalt: big C and little o, not big C and big O. That's carbon monoxide. And some symbols come from their Latin names, like potassium is K from calcium, and iron is Fe from ferrum.